Alright, so I was asked to do a video on how basically to set this up. So, yeah, move this damn brush. Roll this, slide it through here. I'll show you the pads that it sits. I have mine all set up already for my chainsaw and the boards I'm doing. They're no wider than that, so you can change this width, loosen these up, slide it that way, especially if you got a bigger bar, or if you want to do a little bit bigger of a tree. And then, I mean, if you want, you can slide your chainsaw all the way in, so you can get a little more length out of it. I keep mine about right here and get those even. Then you take your 13, tighten it in. That's basically it. Alright, so essentially you take it, and all these are 13. All of these are 13, whatever. And you can adjust this too, depending on if you got a bigger bar or this. Depending on if you have a bigger bar, you can extend this all the way up. And then, so if you need to adjust the height, these right here and right here, this little U-bolt, and that adjusts up and down. Now I have mine set where I want it for the boards I'm cutting, so, but you can drop it, do a board this thick if you need to. You can make you some 2x4s, some 2x6s. You can make 4x4s, 6s, 8s. You can make anything out of this thing, which is nice. And you can take it anywhere you want.